How to get mega energy on Pokemon Go, or how to earn mega energy in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipinbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get mega energy in Pokemon Go. Now there's basically two different ways. First thing first, you can earn mega energy by defeating a mega evolved Pokemon in a mega raid battle. You can basically head on to the list here that will show nearby Pokemon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then head into raid option, and here you'll be able to see raids. For there, you want to search in for mega evolved Pokemon, you want to wait for it, and you want to head there, and then you want to go ahead and defeat a mega evolved Pokemon in the mega raid battle. Or what you can do is you can get it by completing specific research tasks. So you can also occasionally earn mega energy by walking with your body Pokemon if you have previously mega evolved a Pokemon in your body Pokemon's evolutionary line. So where you can see the task, you can see there a little icon there, the yellowish icon at the bottom right. So you want to tap on it, and there you'll get specific tasks. So you might get the task in order to obtain a mega energy as well. You want to look out for it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.